Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Wednesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 3rd of July 2024. The US market will close early today on account of Independence Day. US Dow Jones rose 0.41%, settling the day at 39,331.85 while Nasdaq ended the session at 18,029.18, rising 0.84%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 40,350.17 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,895.10. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,340.50, indicating a gap up start for the Indian market. FII sold 2,000.12 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. Kotak Group Fund named in SEBI notice owns over 1% in 7 companies. HDFC Bank's foreign ownership limit hints at possible MSCI weight hike. Nuvama sees $3.4 billion of inflows. NLC India posts 22% rise in lignite production to 61.7 lakh tons in Q1. Now talking about global aspects, Fed's Powell says US on disinflationary path, but more data needed before rate cuts. The number of job openings rose by 221,000 from the previous month to 8.140 million in May, beating the market consensus of 7.91 million. US overnight funding rate hits highest since January. WTI fell 0.7% to $82.81 a barrel, while Brent fell 0.4% to $86.24 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 105.42. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.42%, down. Here is a recap of Tuesday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices traded flat, despite continued rally in the IT sector. The market faced challenges due to uncertainty, as attention shifted to upcoming US job data and the Federal Reserve Chair's speech for more clarity on interest rates. The key indices, Sensex and Nifty, settled the day with minor losses at 79,441.45 and 24,123.85, respectively. Sectoral performance was largely negative, except for the IT, media, and realty sectors, which closed firmly in positive territory. Outlook for the day. In Nifty, a drop below 23,800 could lead to selling pressure, potentially driving the index towards 23,600 to 23,400 levels. For the upcoming week, we anticipate Nifty to trade within the range of 24,600 to 23,600 with a positive bias. Both daily and weekly strength indicators like the RSI are trending upwards and are above their respective baseline levels, further supporting the bullish outlook. In Bank Nifty, according to the chart pattern analysis, if Bank Nifty manages to sustain above the 52,000 mark, it is likely to attract buying interest, potentially propelling the index towards levels of 52,800 to 53,000. Conversely, a drop below the 51,800 level could trigger selling pressure, pushing the index towards 51,500 to 51,000 levels. Stocks on radar are JK Paper, Dani, TV18 Broadcast, Solar Industries India, Godrej Agraway. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.